Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on OMI TV. So let's get started. First, download and install OBS Studio from obsproject.com. Follow the instructions for your operating system. Open OBS Studio and set up your scene. Add your video sources like webcam, images or text overlays to customize your stream. In OBS Studio, go to Control sections on the right and click on Start Virtual Camera. This will turn your OBS scene into a virtual webcam that other applications can use. Now open your web browser and go to OMI TV. In OMI TV, click on the video settings icon to open the settings menu. Under the camera settings, select OBS Virtual Camera as your video source. Once you have selected the OBS Virtual Camera, you're all set. Your customized OBS scene will now be used as your video feed on OMI TV. Start chatting and enjoy your new setup. And that's it. You have successfully set up OBS Virtual Camera for OMI TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in next video.